Hey guys, it's your nutritionist Sam here. Today on the menu we have a quick and easy beef bolognese. I'm going to walk you through the steps and we're going to start with our onion. Okay, so I have a hot pan with a little bit of olive oil. Into that I'm just going to put our finely chopped onion. And we're just going to saute that just for a little bit until the onion goes a bit clear. Once your onions are browned and clear, we are going to go in with our beef. So we're just going to pop that straight in, just saute that up for a little bit, break it all up so that it's not super chunky. Now this recipe also works really well with lentils, so if you're vegetarian, 2 cans of lentils or 1 can of lentils, 1 can of beef. Okay, so we've got our onion and our beef gently cooking in the pan. The next thing that we want to do is chop up the rest of the vegetables. Now, I like to make the zucchini quite fine, but with the mushrooms and the broccoli, I like to leave those quite chunky, but you can do it to your preference. Okay, just before your meat reaches the stage of being fully cooked, we're going to add in all of our vegetables so that they can start to soften. So we're just going to put that whole lot straight in, and then the meat will finish cooking, the vegetables will start cooking, and then we'll add in all of our tomato sauces after this stage. Okay, your meat's pretty much cooked, your vegetables are well on their way, so what we're going to do now is add in 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and a big spoonful of tomato paste and let that thicken. Now you'll also see I have got a pot of water on to boil, and that's going to be for the pasta. We're going to add that pretty soon, and then everything will be ready at the same time. Just want to show you guys, this is what you're looking for when it's cooked. The canned tomatoes have reduced down and they are super thick. It makes for a really creamy sauce. Now we're just going to put this over some pasta and then sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top, and you're ready to go. There you go guys, a super easy, simple bolognese sauce. Now I'm just going to finish with a little bit of parmesan on top and a little bit of basil. Ready to go. Enjoy!